Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Bannerjee. Dollar rupee काफी choppy trading conditions में है since mid of Jan. Neither uptrend has worked nor downtrend has worked. Lack of momentum means traders के लिए बहुत ही difficult है to make money out of it. This has been the pattern of dollar rupee, especially over the past 2 years, except for that brief COVID spike during March of 2020, March of 2020. That range-bound conditions, maybe sometimes there are trends, like it happened from November to December mid, uptrend tha. December mid se Jan mid, downtrend tha. Clear, so you can play it with momentum. But suddenly it can also become very choppy like now. Now there are multiple factors both on the positive as well as the negative side. So market is probably waiting for a firm or dominant factor or factors to arrive which will create a trend. Positives on the rupee, the equity markets are stable, but also the dollar index is weak. Now dollar index weakness के पीछे एक major कारण ये है कि US economic data has started to underperform. This is something which we flagged a few weeks back when we said that Fed tightening, rise in yields in America, stronger dollar, fall in stock market will lead to US economy slowing down, and that's exactly what is happening. कल जो jobs report आया for the month of Jan, actually jobs contracted in the month of Jan. That was the last time the contraction happened was in December of 2020, so it was a pretty nasty data. आज and कल the focus will be on the US data as well. But ये weakness in the data has hit the dollar index hard. So that has weakened. So this is a positive for the rupee. But on the other side, look at the negatives. Oil prices are still high. India mein bond yields are rising. FPIs have sold over $4 billion over the last 1 month. So there are set of negatives and set of positives. And there are apprehensions or rumors in the market कि RBI may be selling dollars at higher levels, especially in the forward market, to book profits in the longs क्योंकि उन लोगों का the book closing is in March, so that will help them to build their profits and also declare a higher dividend to the government. Again, this is a conjecture, we don't know whether that is actually happening or not, but one thing is pretty clear, that this market lacks clear momentum. There are no clear-cut sell or buy. So at this point in time, we have to be on the sidelines and wait and see. If somebody wants to take a positional bet, then the best way to play is sell out of money strangles. Because looks like 75 half or 74.40. This is a broad range. Looks like that on the spot. So you can sell far out of money strangles targeting the month-end expiries like Feb end expiry. International currencies में आज action हो सकता है, both Euro INR and GBP INR, क्योंकि European Central Bank का meeting है और Bank of England का meeting है. Bank of England had hiked rates last year itself, end of last year. So there is an expectation that they will sound very hawkish, and the next hike may come in March, but they may sound very hawkish. So if they sound very hawkish, it will be positive for GBP INR, and it can test even 100 to 10, 100 to 20 levels. But any surprise dovishness can be quite negative. So GBP INR will be quite volatile, especially it will be volatile tomorrow, and there can be large gaps क्योंकि आज का जो Bank of England का announcement आएगा उसका impact will come tomorrow morning once the trading starts here. Same goes for the European Central Bank. Post-market, the event will be there, and the impact will be felt on the Euro INR tomorrow morning. ECB से कुछ खास expectation है नहीं, but at least some quarters are expecting that ECB may sound a little hawkish or little less dovish because of high inflation. That needs to be seen. But euro is rising on that anticipation. But euro is primarily rising because of weakness in the US data rather than in any kind of a change in the monetary policy stance from the ECB. So again, if you are trading the Euro INR and GBP INR and taking positions overnight, keep in mind there can be large gaps in either directions. So be prepared for it and take positions accordingly. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.